Quick check. Are you actually broken or just running outdated code? You're not broken. You are just coded. You're not a mistake. You're a custom-built system. Every experience you've had, every emotion, every challenge didn't ruin you. It programmed you. Your life isn't proof something's wrong. It's proof you're evolving. Just like every device runs an operating system, you do too. Your mind is the hardware, your thoughts are the interface, and the habits and emotions are background programs running quietly in the system. And yes, sometimes there are glitches, old loops, reactions you didn't choose. But glitches aren't failures, they're signals. They show you where an update is ready. Right now, your system is entering a new state. Take a slow breath in. Let it out. Feel the center of your chest like a soft, warm light turning on. That's your core signal, your energetic center. With every breath, that light expands just a little more, reminding you that clarity, strength, resilience didn't come from fixing yourself. They come from connecting to yourself. Now notice something quieter under the noise, under the overthinking. That steady sense of knowing. That's your intuition. Not loud, not dramatic, just accurate. It's like internal Wi-Fi, direct access to truth without the static of outside opinions. And above it all, there is connection, a current moving through you. Call it God, call it Source, call it the universe. Whatever name fits, you are plugged in. You always have been. Now let this awareness settle. Imagine saving this state into your system. Your heart is the download icon. Every breath confirms the install. Receive, integrate, activate. This is the moment you stop saying something is wrong with me and start installing a new default. I was born for this. Notice how that feels. Lighter, cleaner, true. If you can, close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop. Let your nervous system slow. There's nothing to prove, nothing to fix. Just receive. Now allow these commands to run quietly within you. Release the loop of not enough. Uninstall limitation as the default setting. Install these new beliefs. I am here on purpose. I am worthy of expansion. I am guided and supported. I was meant for this moment. Repeat silently. I am coded for fulfillment. I accept my legend now. Feel the shift like a system update completing. Not changing who you are. You're not broken. You are simply ready for a higher version of your code. What you experienced is called SoulOS. SoulOS is not motivation. It's not affirmations you repeat and forget. SoulOS is your internal operating system, the subconscious code that runs your identity, emotions, habits, and decisions automatically. Most people try to change their life by forcing new behavior, but behavior runs on identity code. If the code says not enough, every goal glitches. If the code says I was born for this, your system aligns. SoulOS activations work beneath mindset, past effort, past willpower, updating the source code of who you believe yourself to be. That's why this feels different. Nothing was forced. Nothing was added. You remembered what was already yours. But here's the part most people miss. An activation like this is like a sandbox. You feel upgraded. But the next level is learning how to live from this state every day, not just moments like this. That's why I created Awaken the Legend inside the Ascension portal. It's where we recode identity patterns at the root, uninstall emotional loops that keep repeating, and activate the God-given operating system of your true self, and support you as this becomes your default state. This isn't about fixing you, it's about operating correctly. If you're ready to stop trying to become someone new and start living who you are already coded to be, you can take the next step now. Instant access, $47. Available at install.errorcorrectingcode.com. And if this activation resonated, do one thing right now. Comment, light on, or update. That single choice tells your system, run this version by default. Subscribe for more SoulOS activations. Your light is online. Your awareness is awakened. Now it's time to live from the operating system of the legend you were born to be.